Episode 32. Sorry I missed yesterday. Just a bump in the road. Anyways, let's just get right into it. All right.
On to our actions. Input. Let's say we want to turn this label red when we press the spacebar.
So the first thing I wanted to do was check the colors. Uh, yeah. The first thing I want to do is check the colors because um, it's just fun because it actually shows you what the color is. So I'm just gonna create a 2D. Like, do I even have to do this though? You know, that's fine. I'll just do level for now. Or that's that's fine. Also, I forgot I have to. Yeah, I forgot I have to create new folders in here. So we got um, nodes, I guess, sure. Scripts. Um, Assets. Yeah, I'm not gonna even have any assets here. Okay, so first thing is let's add a script. Okay, can I just create like a dot? Can I just create like a square? So I'm just going to put this in here. What? You. Then I'm going to add a hmm. Hmm. Can I? Wait, can I even do this? Interesting. Like, can I just create a dot, please? Light 2D marker. Okay. Hmm. Polygon. Nice. Okay, maybe that. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Okay. Let's do. Okay. Animate. Static body. Moved by a physics simulation. What do I want to create first? Do I want to create the ball? Like, what has to go on the bottom? So I want to make a game of Pong in Godot here. It shouldn't be that difficult. Mesh instance. A link between two positions on... Okay. Navigation region. Deprecated. Why is it still here then? Why isn't it hidden? Okay. I want... You know what? I guess I will just go with a polygon here. Yeah, I guess I'll just go for a polygon. Um, Texture. Data. Okay, now I gotta make it actually have a size here. Because right now I cannot see it. Um, hmm, nothing. If I go to 3D and I add a, what is it called? Vehicle body. What? Okay. Geometry instance. Mesh instance. Hmm. Entity is called a polygon. In 3D, it's called a... Hmm. I'm wasting so much time right now. I'm pretty sure I just spent like, yeah, I've just spent 10 minutes doing pretty much nothing. That's pretty good. I don't know what CSG is. Okay. Okay. Nice. So this one has primitives. So what is the 2D version of that? 2D version of that would be... use parent material. Editor description. Script. Transform. It doesn't look like anything. How do I just get a square? Can I get a square? Can I just get a square? Like, do I have to do this? Can I make this? Please. Mesh instance. Mesh. Okay, we got array mesh, box mesh. What? Square mesh, plane mesh. What? Oh, wait, it's 2D. What? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What? Why is this showing up? What does that do? Face ZX? This is 2D. Why? Okay. I think I found it. Okay, but why isn't this a... Okay, let's just delete this. Let's make a new one. Called... No. Let's make a new one called, mesh instance. Poggers. Okay, my real question is why the fudge is on script? Okay. My real question. Okay, I kind of forgot what my question was. But yeah, like, oh, okay. I guess my question is why is it 3D? If I do a box mesh, what is going on? Is it? I'm zoomed in 10,000%, bro. What the f? Like, okay, sure. I'm so confused. If this is a cube, okay, I'm done. Okay, cylinder. Great, we got a cylinder, and it rotates this way. And if I can do, okay, wait. But if I go into 3D, this is 2D. This is a 2D mesh instance. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Why do they have 3D names? Oh, second. Flip faces. His hemisphere on rings. Radius. Height. Height? Excuse me? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Why are they 3D? Whoa! What just happened? Why did it do that? I'm so confused. What is a polygon 2D? Like, what is this? Okay, I guess for now I'm just going to follow the
To do this, we first need
tutorial.
to set up an input action. We'll go Project, Project Settings, Input Map. Here we can add actions. Actions allow us to bind keys to something that we want to happen.
You know what? No. I'm not gonna follow the tutorial. How to create a square in Godot 2D. 2D. For prototyping purposes, you can use the color rect node. What? Create a 1 pixel by 1 pixel 1 pixel white PNG image in Paint. This is unnecessarily complex. There's also an option to make the collision shapes visible when running the game. Oh, that's what I want then. That's fine. Yeah, that's what I want. So if I do, what is it? Collision shape 2D. Okay, and then I do what? Okay, sure. I will add a. Wait. Please only use as a child. Please. Why would they say please? What? Static body. Rigid body. Character body. Static. Okay, let me not save that. Let me go back to here. Ah! Let me go back to here. So if I go to green ooze, it's a sprite, and then it's a area 2D, and it's a collision shape 2D. Okay. Here's the thing. What is the difference between a character body? 2D. What is the difference between a character body 2D and a static body? Like, yeah, what is the difference? If I make a static body, when moved manually, it doesn't affect other bodies in its path. A 2D physics body specialized for characters moved by script. Like, if I... Like, what is the difference between these, though? Like, a character body is just a static body with a movement script attached to it, right? Am I, like, tripping? Am I tripping with that? If I do this, and then I do, Pong, sure, and I do ball, and then I add a collision shape to this. A collision object 2D derived node. Collision object 2D derived node. So, wait, what? Area 2D, static body 2D, rigid body 2D, character body 2D. What? Bruh. Okay. Area 2D. Static body 2D, rigid body 2D, character body 2D, etc. Is that actually true? Oh, wow. And area 2D, that doesn't really matter either. Hmm. Grass platform. Animatable body 2D. Wait, if I exit this, and then I go back in, is it gonna have all of these tabs closed? No. Okay, I've basically just done nothing for almost half an hour. This is how I normally am. This is crazy. Like, how do I function? Okay. Not understanding. This doesn't really matter, right? Like, it doesn't really matter what. Fluid collision, no. Actually, I want this to be a square. And really, I want this to be a... I want this to be the parent. I want this to be called ball. You know, I want it to be called Pong Ball. Got him. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a script to this. Yep. Okay. You know what? I am just going to, for the sake of simplicity, I will just do this. And I'll save that, just so I don't have to do it. Template, default, sure. Built-in script on. What does that even mean? Okay. Yep. Create. Perfect. Oh. Main font size. What? No. No, no, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Honestly, you know, maybe that is what I want. Sure. Then I'm going to make the code size much larger. Okay, no. Can I make this 20? Sure. Is that good enough? Maybe. Then I can zoom this in and out as much as I like. Okay. And then I'm going to go through those colors like I wanted to. Yeah, I would like to get off soon because I would like to actually go to sleep early. But first, I'm gonna check out those colors. Ooh, look at all the pretty colors. Alice blue, which is, that looks like white to me. I guess it's close to white, but not quite. Haha, not cool. White. Ha ha ha. Okay, we got aquamarine, azure, which looks pretty much like white to me. Beige, bisque, black, blanched, almond, bro. We got like the full paint store. That's not brown. That's not brown. Am I tripping? That's not brown. Okay, blanched almond. Yeah, we got the full paint store variety of colors, the full paint store range. Is that I was trying to say. Blue, violet, brown, which is not brown. I mean, that looks red to me. That seriously looks red to me. Why is it not darker? Burleywood, cadet blue, chartreuse, chocolate. Now that's browner than this, bro. What the fudge? Coral, cornflower blue, corn silk, crimson, cyan, dark blue. Dark cyan, dark. I'm done. Deep pink, deep sky blue, dim gray, fire brick. Wait, what? This is not all the colors. Okay, no. Floral white, forest green, fuchsia, Gainsborough, ghost white, which is just regular white. Goldenrod. Oh, actually, it might be slightly gray, maybe. Green, yellow. Honeydew. Hot pink. Indian red. Indigo. Ivory. Khaki. This is interesting. This is quite lime and lime green. What? I guess? Sure. Medium blue. Navy blue. Midnight blue and navy blue? Almost exactly the same. This one is slightly lighter. Olive, yes. Olive drab. What the fu- Peru. Pale violet red plum. This is interesting. This is very interesting for me. White. There's regular white. Yellow. That's regular yellow. Transparent. Okay, time to get to work, baby. Um, so I need to do a random, what the fuck? Random number generator. Nice. Oh, oh. You know what? I am just going to, okay. How do I, oh, I see. So if I do velocity dot x equals 1, and velocity dot y equals 1. What? What? Sure. I'll just name this to left player. Sure. And then I will add a script. Okay. No, I will not add a script. I will add a character body 2D. And then I will name this to left player. And yep. Then I will put this in scripts. Yep. And let's see, we got velocity. Jump velocity. Where is velocity set here? Oh, great. I really should probably go through the tutorial, shouldn't I? Velocity. What is velocity? Character body 2D. Collision object physics body. Affected by physics. What does affected by physics mean? What does that even mean? Okay. Whoops. Okay, so this actually does need to be a this actually does need to be a mesh instance. And also polygon 2D, apparently if you just do this, then it creates a thing here for you. Okay, so no polygon 2D. I will just do mesh instance here. I will make this the scene root. Then I will move this up here. Then I will delete that. And I will have no script. I will have no script now. Pong ball. Nice. Okay, and then the mesh, then the pong ball will be plain. Then I will, then I will 2 meters. What? What? Okay, then I will face X, Y, Z. Okay, and if I face Y, it goes like that. If I face, yep. All right. Then I will change this to be. Do I even need this then? Yes. Yeah, I do. Do I? Yes. Okay. Then I will, how do I keep this scaled? Oh, shift. No, no. Hmm. Huh. How do I do that? Scale, scale, scale. Don't want to scale this though. Do you hold? Okay, I should continue. I'm just gonna continue on the tutorial for the next 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get off. What the fu- like, I'm trying to do something, some very simple things, and it's not really letting me, but that's fine. Like, make a shape, do a thing, like, very simple. These are very, very simple things, very, very simple things. Also, this needs to be I mean, area 2D, area 2D. Like, hmm. Like, I'm just trying to. This is going to be the most boring episode. I'm not really here to do. The series is not really here to be boring or to be entertaining, I guess. Position. Position. Whoops. Press the wrong command, but it didn't do anything. Wrong. Okay. Okay, I may need an area 2D. Whoops. Or I may need a node 2D. No. What the fudge? Uh-huh. This is a mesh instance 2D. 2D. Right, then we add a script to this. Cancel. Don't I already have one of these? Yes. Then I add a script. This one here. Okay, then we go. Yeah, let's just try things out. Node 2D dot dot. Okay, so if I go down to P, oh my fudging. Okay, position. Okay. If I go node 2D dot position. What the fudge? Okay, if I go position. Node 2D dot position. What is going on, bro? What is going on? Do I just need sleep? Do I just need to go to sleep? I can do barely anything. Position, position, position. What? Okay, what if I do... What if I do mesh instance 2D dot position now? What if I do area 2D dot position? You're really kind of... You're making me upset. You're making me upset. Bro, what is this? What is this? What am I looking at? Okay. What is happening? Surely there's angle, though. Is there not angle? There's rotation. Let's just do this. Let's just try to make anything work here. Amazing. Okay. Is it? Three by two? No. Thank you. I'm tired, bro. Okay. Now, how do I reach this number from this? Do I just do this plus... No. Times 2? Great, and then times 2, then times 2. Now, how do I reach that? How do I reach that? Let's do this very simply. What? Let's do this very simply. One. That's, oh. 1 divided by 2 equals 2 over 4. How do we get this? How do we find the lowest common denominator? Formulaically. Or, equationally? No. Formulaically. It's probably formulaically. In this case, it would be oh. Okay, let's do x equals 2, y equals 4. Okay, and we want to get y. Y equals... You know what, let's do z equals 1. So then y equals... x times xz, is this correct? Such that is it such that z over x equals x over y? Is this right? No. It's probably not. It's probably not. So let's try it with something else. 1/3 equals 3/9. What I'm really trying to do is get to... Okay, but you need multiple numbers for this. I'm trying to get to this ratio from this number alone. Is this correct? So one number and I'm trying to get a ratio. So how do I do this? Nice. That's so cool. Okay, I will just make a new one. Screw you, game. No. How do I do this? Let's start with this. how to find any ratio with, no, sure. 1.7, that's way too large. 1.78 times, what is it, 9? Yep, 1.78 times 9 equals 16. Okay, good enough. Okay, now I want to find this ratio. 16 over 9 from 1.78. I'm getting so distracted. Story of my life, though. Story of my life. Now, how do I do that? There has to be some constant that enables me to get this ratio just from this number. What I want is the lowest whole number, so that would be 9. So how do I get to 9 from this number? These are essentially, these are equal here. Either way, this is gonna be 160, and this is gonna be 90. Actually, first, okay, let's close that. Let's play. Okay, this is gonna be this is gonna be 160, this is going to be 90. I just want to see if the thing shows up. I have no camera. I have no camera. I have no camera. I mean, it still showed that it was there, but I have no camera. I have no camera. Where the fudge is the camera? Wow, that would have been easier. There. It's already after 10. Great. What the fuck? I want this to be represented by a single pixel on the screen. Why is this? What? He.
Sponsored by Zenva. If you're excited about Godot 4, make sure to check out Zenva Academy. They offer comprehensive. Inside of our slime here, let's add a new node of an animated slime. Let's see to fit our enemy. By the way, I'm holding down Alt to scale uniformly, and
Alt? Okay. That's interesting, I guess. Sure. Yes, that's fine. Okay, we got. What? Is there not? Oh, thank you. So poggers, so poggers. What the fudge? What just happened? What is going on? Where did this thing just go? I don't know where the heck this thing went, so I'm just going to delete it. That makes so much sense. What? Ah, okay, sure. Okay. Maybe this one? No, not this one. And now I am gonna have to make it 2 by 2. I want it to be, hmm. Okay, is it not gonna work with two? Guess it's not. So, sure. So this is gonna be 2. That's gonna be 2. Perfect. Everything is as it should be. Except for the fact that I want this to be in the center. Poggers. Nice. Now I can make a camera. You know what, I will just delete this. I'll just actually delete that. Okay, now I will make a camera. I will now create a camera. Okay. And how, where is that exactly? Camera 2D, thank you. But hmm. That is perfect. That's perfect right there. Nice. I actually want it to zoom in more. Okay, maybe 10. Maybe 10. Maybe 9. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, 8 it is. Let's get it. Okay, let's go back to 6. Hmm. It must kind of only work, well, yeah, 8 is fine. So now that, so I know that works now, at least. So how do we do this? 1.5 equals Is it 3 over 2? Is that correct? Yes. If we do 1 divided by 1.5, what do we get? We get what is it, 0.75? Is that true? Is that correct? No. No. We get 0.6. Basically, we get 2/3. Yeah, so we get 2/3. Which is just the inverse of that. And then if we do times, how do we get to that? How do we get to that though? We get 0.66 repeating. Okay, repeating, which is just 2/3. But how do we get to 3 from this? How to find the ratio of one number? Okay, I basically just gave up. Uh, the highest common factor. How do you find the highest common factor? Like there has to be a way to get 2 from this. From this. No, I mean, I know it's 2. This divided by this is that. Okay? But this divided by this is that. This divided by this is that. Hmm. Let's go back to the other one. 1/2 equals 2/4. That's a crazy 2 right there. It's the same concept. I mean, they're equal, the ratios are equal, but how do I find the even ratio? Is it just trial and error? Is it seriously just trial and error? Okay, 1.77 times 9 equals 16. It's up there. Times 9 equals 16. So 1.77 times a number. You know what? I'll just do times a number equals 16. You know what? I will just do this. Sure. Uh-huh. And then if you, yep, so 1.77 equals y over x. Uh-huh. Is it seriously just trial and error? I refuse to believe that. Is it actually trial and error? Is finding the least common denominator just trial? Sure, just trial and error. Is it actually just trial and error? Really? The greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. Wait. Okay, okay. Of two numbers. No, I want to find one number from one number, bro. Least common denominator, greatest common divisor. Greatest, greatest common divisor. Why would it be called greatest common divisor? That looks absolutely horrible. Thank you for doxing me again. Oh my, I'm actually gonna have to edit it again. Nice. Nice. I'm actually gonna have to edit it again. Are you serious, bro? In that case, just use Euclid's algorithm to find the greatest common. And use the fact that the greatest common factor of A and B times the lowest common something of A and B equals A times B. Least common multiple. Do this for two numbers at a time. Least common multiple. What the fudge is a least common multiple again? Multiple. Oh. Sure. I see the multiple. Sure. What is it? Greatest common divisor? What is that? Oh. Okay, I gotta go tell my dad his phone's ringing. Okay, sure. Least common multiple? What the f- Okay. Euclid's, what is it? Euclid's algorithm? Greatest common factor? What? Euclid's algorithm to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. Okay. What? Use the fact that the greatest common factor and the least common multiple of A and B equals A times B. Okay. Divide their greatest common factor by their greatest common factor. What? Okay, 4. Let's do 2 and 4, so that's 8. Okay, so that would be divide by their greatest common factor, which would be 2. Least common multiple would be 4. Yeah, I'm not sure I get it. Okay, let's do this here. Is this actually trial and error? Greatest common factor of 2. Least common multiple of, that would be 4. And then it would equal, okay, but let's do something like, uh, I don't have time. I don't have brain power right now. This is going to be an interesting episode. This is going to be a very interesting episode. 9. So how do I know it's 9? Is the real question. Oh, no, no, no. How do I know it's 16? Okay. How to find the least, the lowest whole number multiple. No, one. One, number one, bro. Oh my. Make a list? No. That's not what I want. Ways to turn a decimal number into the lowest whole number it goes into. Is there a method to find the lowest whole number decimal number? I could find was a variation of turning 7.16 into a whole number through removing decimal places. Back into fraction form and then simplifying down to 179 over 25. Oh, okay. Sure, but how do you do it with a, okay. How do you do it formulaically? Why did I just turn my camera on? Okay. Wait, what? 66 over 9. 7.33. Wait. 66 divided by 7.33. What? 9. Okay. Whoa. Is this, wait, what? Wait a second. So if I do, sure, 55.33333. Let's do, no, let's do 5.33333. 5.33333. So let's do 53.33 minus 5.33. Okay, which is 48. Sure. And then 48 divided by 5.33 is 9. Why is it always 9? What? Why is it always 9? Is it always 9? What? Let's do 2.55. Okay. 25.55. Okay, wait. So that would be 23. 23 divided by 2.55. What? Is it always 9? One hundred 29 divided by 40. Turn your number into a fraction and multiply by the denominator. Turn your number into a fraction and multiply by the denominator. Multiply by the denominator? What? Turn your number into a fraction and multiply by the denominator. Then simplifying it down, but how do you simplify it down? How do you simplify it down? What? I should also measure that repeating decimals would be 3 plus 19 over 99, so then you'd be looking at the least common multiple of 19 and 99. But how do you simplify it down? What? Is to turn decimal number into lowest whole number it goes into. Actually, you'd only need to deal with the decimal part of it. Moving to 7 to find your multiple. Oh. Then adding the 7 in to multiply at the end. But essentially what it becomes is finding the lowest common multiple of the decimal and the appropriate power of 10. In this case, the lowest common multiple of 16 and 100, which is 400. What? Oh, I see. But then again, how do you find the least common multiple without doing trial and error? How to find the least common multiple without trial and error. That's trial and error, you prime factors, okay. And multiply the highest powers of each factor. Multiply the highest powers of each factor. The highest powers. What is a prime number again? Is it just themselves and one number? Oh, and one. For each prime number, only keep the largest amount. Okay. $77, so that would be 7 and 11. Uh-huh, okay, which would be, yeah, sure. And then 100 would be, 100 would be, what the fuck? Uh, uh, mm, 100, which would be 2, 2 times 2 times 5 times 5? What the fuck? Is that correct? Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Okay, sure. It uses the small. Oh, I see. Is this correct? Is this actually right? Okay, wait. Okay, let's start over. Sixteen over 9 equals 1.77. This is the part I want to keep. Okay. That's interesting. You know what? Whatever. 16 over 9 equals. Oh, there's no way I would have figured this out by myself. Equals 1.77. We do x equals I like x over y, so I will just do X is 16. Y is 9. Or 1.77 times times y equals x. So now, okay, wait. Yes. Okay, then we got, sure, let's try their method, sure. We got 1.77 and 100. 100. How do I do an ampersand? That's an S. Ampersand. It's kind of like a backwards S, actually. What the fudge? It's kind of like a backwards cursive S. Is it? Is it? You go up and around and back. This one you go up and around and back. Wait, but it goes the same way. Yeah, a backwards S would be like, wait, would be like, up, up and around. And down and over. That's what it would be. Similar, but not the same. Wait, I just fudging. Great. That's just an 8, bro. That's just an 8. That's literally, that's just an 8. Wait. It is basically an 8. Never mind. Okay, so this one we got 77. 7 and 11. For 100, we got, these are the prime factors. We got 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 5 and 5. And now if we multiply all of these together, what? Wait a second. 2 and 3, all the missing ones. All the creates the smallest number that uses all the parts from both numbers. What? Um, huh. Already part of both numbers. What? Does that work actually? 3 times 5 is 15. 30, 60. Wow, okay, it does. Nice. Oh, okay. So got it. Okay. Hmm. Multiplying in the missing 3. Okay, great. So this would just be 100, and this would just be 77. So it would just be 7,700. Nice. And that doesn't help me, does it? Is that actually true? No, that can't be right. That cannot be right. Let me try 15. No, let me try 14 and 20, 21, I guess. Sure, 21. 21, so that's 7 and 2, and that's 7 and 3. All right, so then if I just do 7 times 2 times 3, that equals, this is 14, this is 21. Okay, great. So this is just 21 times 2. Anyway, so it's 42. Okay, 21. Yep, so 21 goes into 42 twice. Or, yeah, no. Yes, 21 goes into 42 twice. 14 goes into 42. We got 28, then we got 32, 42, 3 times. Okay, great. So this is right? This is actually right? That can't be right. That can't be right, bro. No shot. And then what do I do here? Where was that other Reddit post? — 16 and 100, which is 400. What? Which is 400, and then divided by 4. What the fudge? Oh. Is that actually right? I'm so confused. Also, I'm done with this for today. So I can just shut that off. This doesn't seem right. Okay, 140, 210, 280. 280 would be 4, would be, sure, would be 308. Sure, 308. Uh, sure, 370. 385. 462. 339. Sorry, 462. 549. 539. What? 539. 616. 793. Bro, what? Are you fudging kidding me? Okay, I got it wrong at some point. 77, 154, 220. Okay, hold. Okay, I'm about to just go on a I'm about to just look up least common multiple calculator. What the fudge is this, bro? Show steps for working out by what? Venn diagram. Listing multiple, sure. Prime factorization. Okay. What is this one? Wait, this is actually a great learning tool. What the fudge? Write your numbers in a row. Divide your numbers by prime numbers as long as at least two primes are evenly divisible by that prime. Two numbers are evenly. Okay. Doesn't help me. That's just a worse version of the prime factorization, I feel. I mean, maybe it's faster. Maybe. Write your numbers in the top row. Divide your numbers by prime numbers as long as at least one of your numbers is evenly divisible by a prime number. Sure. Sure. Two times, that is literally just the same. It's just the same as this, but I guess it's visualized easier. 22355. 22355. Yep. I guess it's just an easier visualization. Why the fudge is that highlighted? What? Okay. Okay. Repeat the process subtracting the smaller number from the result till the result is smaller than the original small number. What? Subtract the result from step 2 from the new larger number. When you reach 0, go back one calculation. The greatest common factor is the number you found just before the 0 result. What? Okay. Interesting. Oh my Okay. Interesting method. Interesting method. Interesting. That's an interesting method. I want to know what this one is. What is this one? What? This is just a different, like, like all of them except for this one are just prime factorization, just visualized a different way. Okay. Oh my fudging. Okay. Sure. Okay, 7,700. What do we do with this number? We divide it by 100. Isn't that great? I'm getting flashbanged? Hello? I keep getting flashbanged? Okay, in this case, the least common multiple of 16 and 100, which is 400. Uh-huh. So 77? Yep, so 77? That's not right. What? Okay. What? I have a feeling this is going to be even harder. I'm just not sure what I'm supposed to do with this information. Did I misunderstand? 400. Then 100 divided by 4. And it's not getting me any closer to the answer. How to find the lowest whole number factor? No, multiple of a decimal number. Nice. I would have gotten doxxed again. This is so... I don't... Why? Why does it show up? Every time I go onto a web page, I'm gonna have to do that. That's great. Okay, sure. Begin with the fraction m over 10 n? 10n? What? Should be easily determined to divide the numerator denominator by 2 or 5 as long as this can be done without a residue. You mean a remainder? Then the denominator of the final fraction is the solution. The denominator of the final fraction is the solution. What is n? What the what? Am I tripping out? What is this? This doesn't... What? Ten to the n? N? Where the fudge is n, bro? There know what m is? I don't know what n is. Oh, n is... Okay, sure. Which can be easily determined. Divide the numerator by 2 or 5. Okay, sure. Okay. The answer you want is the numerator. Okay, 77. The only... Okay. Not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6. Is it only 7 and 11? What? Factors of... Factor calculator. You know, I will just fudging. 1, 7, 11, and 77. That's what I thought. So if I do 77 times 2, that is 154. 140, 154. Yep. So let's just divide by primes now. It is literally, okay. No, 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 no. Can't do 3 either. Ha 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 ha. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. I'm not getting an answer here. Yeah, this is garbage. This is not... Mm. Okay, let's try this guy's thing. 177. Nope. 177 and 100. Okay, I'm just gonna do, and no, I can't. I mean, I can. I don't want to. But it's fine. And 100. Nice. So 177. Not by 2, not by 3, not by 4, not by... Okay, not by 1, 3. Five, not by 5 either. 3 would be 50, which would be 27. Wait a second. Wait, 150? Wait. 90? 9? Wait, 9 is 3? Wait, but that doesn't, that's not even then. Okay, but it doesn't matter because I do 99. I do 99. That's perfect. So this would be 150 plus 27, which is 59, right? No. Yes. Yes. 59 and 33. I'm not even putting in effort anymore. Wait, but that can be divided by 3 again. Wait, so could this have been 6? No. That can't be divided by 3 again. That would be, what can this be divided by? Not 2, not 3, not 5. Not 7. Oh my fudging. Somehow this gets to 16 over 9. Nine times, wait, 11. $121, $132, $143, $154, $150, $165, $176. It would be $176. What? It would be $176. But that would be close enough, I guess, right? But that wouldn't work still. 121, 132, 140. Yeah. That would be 176, right? That didn't work. That didn't work. Of the appropriate power of 10. The appropriate power of 10. So it wouldn't be 100, it would be 1,000. The appropriate power of 10. No, no, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't. What? 11. How do I get to this number? How do I get to these numbers from this number? Okay, you know what? Let's just round it up. Let's just round it up, okay? Or round it down. No, round it up. Okay, we got 1.8, 2 point, wait, 3.6, 5.4. Okay, wait, 18. This is just 18. 18, 36, 54, yep. Yep, 54, we got 72, we got 90. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, no, 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 that's not it. That's times 5. Does this work for other things? Wait, so the whole number, if I do 1.8, the whole number is 90. That it goes into, sorry, 9. It's 9. And then if I multiply that by that, then it gets the number. Okay, let me do 1.4. Let me do 14. One point four, we got 2.8, we got, okay, 28, 42. Okay. Yep, 42. We got 56. We got 70. Okay. So that would be 7. Okay, so now if I multiply 1.3, if we do 1.4 times 7, let's just do 1.37 times 7. Wait a second. If we do this times, so that's 9. This times this, that would be 9. And then 0.8. 9 times 8 would be 7.2, which would be 16. 7.2, which would be 16.2. 9 plus 7.2 would be, which would be 16.2, and that would be close enough, I guess. So if I do this here, that would be 7 and 28, which would be. Do I actually have to brute force this every single time? Like, it'd just be easier to remember this number here. Okay, 7, that would be, I don't really know how this, oh, I do, but 7, that would be, 7, 28, so that would be 28, 9.8. So that would be 10 over 7, right? Is that right? Wait, if I do 10 divided by 7, what the fuck? No. If I do 10 divided by 7, it's gonna give me over, even though I wanted it under. If I do 11 divided by 7, no, 9 divided by 7, sorry. Oh, wow, that's kind of a big difference. Um, I probably should have spent my time doing something productive tonight. Did I learn here? I'm not even sure. $16 divided by 9. This is 16.2. If I just do that. That's pretty bad. Alright, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I really should have ended it sooner, but it's fine. It's fine. I'll end it sooner tomorrow night. Alright, yep. Thank you for watching. That should have been episode 32. And you will all see me tomorrow.